In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Docs automatically using Zapier on a desktop or laptop. By the end, you'll have a hands-off workflow that turns incoming information into neatly formatted Google documents, saving you time and eliminating copy-paste. First, open your browser, head to zapier.com, and log into your Zapier account. Once you're in, look for the Create button and select Zap. A zap is just an automated workflow that starts with a trigger and ends with one or more actions. In the Trigger section, search for the app where your workflow should start. This could be Google Forms, Typeform, Gmail, or Google Sheets, whatever collects the information you want to turn into a document. After you pick your app, choose the trigger event that makes sense, like new form response, new email, or new spreadsheet row. Connect the account for that app so Zapier has permission to pull the data. When it's connected, click Test Trigger. Zapier will fetch a sample so you can see the kind of data you'll be working with. Next, add an action. Select Google Docs as your action app. For the action event, choose either Create Document from Template or Create Document from Text. Use a template if you want a consistent layout with placeholders. Use text if you prefer to build the document content directly inside Zapier. Now connect your Google account so Zapier can create documents in your Drive. If you're using a template, select it from your Google Docs list. Now map your fields. This is where the magic happens. For each placeholder in your template or each section of your text-based document, insert the data coming from your trigger. Things like a name, an email, a date, or any other dynamic content. If you're using a template, make sure the placeholder names in your doc match what you're mapping in Zapier. You can also customize the document title to include dynamic fields, so each file is uniquely named. Consider choosing a folder in your Drive where the documents should be saved to keep everything organized. When your mapping looks good, click Test Step. Zapier will create a sample document so you can check the formatting and confirm everything lands where it should. If anything looks off, adjust your mappings and test again. Finally, click Publish to turn your Zap on. From now on, every time your trigger fires, a new Google Doc will be created automatically based on your setup. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.